Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss any new videos I'm going to be dropping here on our channel. As you guys read by the title, I am going to be doing a demonstration of how to use a magnifying lamp or a woods lamp when it comes to aesthetics. So if this is something that you want to see, please watch this video all the way to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So go ahead and put a eye protective cover over your client's eyes just so that they are protected from any light intensity that may occur when you do use the magnifying lamp or the woods lamp. This is a really good technique, and it also shows your client that you are professional and you know what you are doing. When it comes to using a magnifying lamp, make sure that the lamp is actually very clean on the front and the back of the lamp just so that you get a clear view, and also make sure that all of the lights are working on the lamp so then that way you get all of the light that is necessary for you to look at your client's skin. The purpose of using this lamp is so that you are able to look deeper at the client's skin to see if there are any impurities within the pores or any damages that have been caused from everyday life, or if you just want to see any type of pimples, blackheads, or anything like that that is up under the skin or that is not visible to the naked eye. Now when it comes to using the woods lamp, please make sure that you guys turn the light off because the woods lamp needs to have darkness in order for you to actually be able to utilize it. The purpose of the woods lamp is so that you can see up under the skin even deeper. So in case your client has any pockets of sebum, which is actually oil of the skin, if they have any pockets, you'll be able to see that. If they have any irritation or wounds or cuts, you'll be able to see that, as well as any affected areas that need to be corrected. So as I mentioned before, the woods lamp is going to basically give your client's skin a colored glow. And with that colored glow, you will experience different colors on your client's skin. So here are some of the colors that you might experience. If your client is experiencing any type of balanced skin or good pH, then the color is going to be blue. Any other colors that come with skin conditions, they may appear as orange, purple, white, or brown. So yeah, just those are the colors that you're going to be looking out for, and when you do experience those colors, then you'll be able to let your client know what's actually going on with their skin. And just as a quick reminder, this treatment is painless, and this can be added on to your facial services just to increase your value when it comes to your services and to help your clients out who are actually experiencing skin conditions. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Please comment down below if you guys want to see any other type of skincare videos when it comes to aesthetics or estheticians. And also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anybody in your clique who does skincare or who loves skincare. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it.